So this is the module and the speaker that is connected here. This is called the DF Mini Player, and this comes as a module. It's just plug and play. You record, you put your mp3 files on a 8 GB SD card, micro SD card, and I just soldered these two wires on a 4-ohm speaker, and you've got the mp3 controls. It's available for a very cheap price of around $300 from a website called robo.in. This will really help you add sound to your model railway layout. It's powered by a power bank, and also you can use buck converters to convert the 14 volt DC into 5 volt DC, which I will do very soon. So thanks once again for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.